Alright, so hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Naman Jain, and today we are going to talk about some UIPath Studio, which does some automation work. So today we are making a process in which we are gonna copy a country time and make it to a variable and show it to the console of the output in UIPath Studio. So let's get started. So first we have to create a process by clicking on process and then give a name like time in London, right? And time this show, yeah, and then create. So here is the UI of the UiPath Studio. So first we have to go to recording and then web because we are doing web process. So let's create one sequence. Okay, so here it is, and here is my Internet Explorer, which is already open before that. So let's open our browser and let's select this tab, and then it's the URL of this tab, and then select OK. So it keeps a record of this tab. Now select record, and then select this text box. Type like time in London, and then press Google search. And we don't need that right now, so we can select no. So we got the time. Now select escape, uh, because we have to copy that time, so we have to press copy text and then select this. So we have to now save and exit. Okay, so you can see the div part. So this div is the variable name. You can also edit it, but I'm leaving that as div as it is. So right now, if you can see in this edit selector, so it's taking the particular time, which is 10:22 a.m. So if it is different than 10:22 a.m., then it will show an error in this process. So what we can do, before colon, we put an asterisk, and after colon we put two question marks, and instead of am and pm we put two question marks again, and then now we select validate. So it's validated, which is great for us. So now it will show whatever the time on the web. So now for showing the output of the variable in the output console, we have to select write, and you can see write line in debug. We drag and drop this in here, and we write a string time in London is, and now we put this variable here. Okay, so now we also want to close the web browser, which is by close application activity by selecting this, and now select this whole window. Alright, now if we do debug file, now you can see it is doing automatically everything, and it copied the time and pasted it in output console. You can see. So that's all for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.